Go.
Hello everyone, today you are watching Pratik Thapa PD and today I'm going to unbox my brand new drum kit, that is Ludwig Element Evolution, and it's a 6-piece drum kit with all the hardwares and I'm very excited about that. Let's go.
They say that life is always easier after you let yourself come undone. They say they'll give you whatever you want, and I'll be waiting in the shadow of the sun, seizing time where no one's been before. Close the curtains, what you're waiting for, and I'll be keeping secrets.